Hi, I'm Anu Parikh with Pangea Charging. What a view, right? For those of you from Austin, you probably know exactly where I'm standing. I'm outside the Palmer Event Center where we just wrapped up the Move America conference focused on e-mobility, where we heard from speakers like Mayor Steve Adler, who described a renaissance happening here in Austin around transportation. Now, a lot has changed since I first joined the market in 2013, such as lots of new players and plenty of new business models. But the one thing that hasn't changed and continues to get even better is Austin Energy's rebate program towards electric vehicle charging infrastructure. It's one of the best in the country and explains why they continue to lead and be the fourth best equipped city in terms of EV charging infrastructure. Through Austin Energy's program, you can get a $4,000 rebate towards every dual port charging station when enrolling in their Plug-in Everywhere program. And they've added an option where if you choose not to get into the Plug-in Everywhere program, you can still get a $1,500 rebate towards each charging station, which in many cases will cover your entire hardware cost and still leaves you flexible to set pricing and earn revenue. Now, if there's one thing clear from the backdrop behind me, it's that Austin is growing incredibly fast and many of these buildings are multifamily. With over 1,500 apartment communities throughout Austin, only about 6% offer EV charging stations today. It's great, but there's a long way to go. So if you're looking to remain competitive and appeal to this growing audience of EV drivers, reach out to Pangea Charging to let us help you navigate Austin Energy's program and get charging stations installed at your community. Call 281-846-4404 or email sales@pangeacharging.com. Cheers from sunny Austin, Texas.